birds in the cage. Did you?
Stupid pigeons left the sausage over there. Forgot about it.
There's a dog sniffing around in it. Yeah, there are birds.
Well, it was big news today. We had our first information session. What would you call it? First time seeing the midwives. And we got our appointment for the scan. That's cool. And then I decided to treat Gavriel. And what did he do? And he chucked it on the floor. The pigeon came over, started eating it. And he just had this expression on his face. Hello? What's happening? You chuck your sausage down, that's what happens. Yeah, you're not a very good shark, are you? Nope. There's some nice sausages. Obviously Gavriel didn't like it very much, he just decided to chuck it on the bleeding floor. Right, let's go down to Waitrose at Morrison's. Bye.